Good morning, students. Am I audible? Please inform all students to join class. Am I audible? Please respond.
Yes, sir.
So before starting a new thing, okay, let's go in the previous classes and just a quick revision of the previous classes. Okay. So let me share my screen. So this is all about the previous class. So we have started with the basic of AutoCAD, different tools, right? Different format of AutoCAD file, then coordinate system. So till last class, we discussed about uh, three types of coordinate system. Which is the basic one is your absolute coordinate system, and then relative absolute coordinate system and relative polar coordinate system. Okay, so basically the relative absolute coordinate system. In this system, we can using this system we can draw a two-dimensional drawing in AutoCAD using coordinate. Okay, so how can we give the coordinate point for a particular object using this method at the rate xy? Okay, I'll show you one example. And then relative polar coordinate system. Under this method, we can draw any angular structure using this method, that is at the rate length and angle. Okay, these things are already discussed in the previous classes. So I'll show you just some example so that it can be um, easy to understand. Okay, about relative absolute coordinate system and relative polar coordinate system, right? For that, let me allow to open my AutoCAD software. Okay, whenever you start your AutoCAD, first thing you have to do the formatting, right? You have to go in the format, then unit. You have to fix your decimal of the length type depending on your convenience. Then types of unit. For what units you want, you can fix it. For now, I'm fixing meter, and then okay. Then we can set limits. To set the limit, what you have to type? You have to type limit in command area. Okay, or even in the drawing area also just type limits, LIMITS, limits. Then the information will come like reset model space limit and specify lower left corner. That means the AutoCAD software is asking about the lower left corner coordinate. So for now I'm fixing 0, 0. Okay, this blue numbers are basically representing x coordinate, and this the numbers nearby the x coordinate, which is your y coordinate. Okay, since we are doing the drawing in the 2D drawing, two-dimensional drawing, that's why z coordinate is fixed at 0, 0. Okay. So anyway, for now I'm fixing 0. It is a x coordinate. Then I have to click tab. from the keyboard. I'm clicking tab, then again 0 and enter. So lower left corner is fixed. Now specify upper right corner. Okay, specify upper right corner. So this corner will be depending on a particular drop. Now I'm clicking 100, tab 100, enter. Now let me check that. Now I have to make it zoom it out. That means the lower left corner and upper right corner must be on the common screen. But now it's not visible. For to make it visible, I have to type zoom it out, zoom all, set, enter, all for A. So all these things are now fixed. Now let's draw a rectangle using a rating absolute 4050. So I think this thing's already discussed for now. Anyway, I'm discussing again. Suppose you have a rectangle. Okay. This side A, B, C, D. Okay. So what is that? As far a relative absolute point system, let's get the coordinate point of A. So it's 0, 0. Now let's say that length is it is 10. Okay. So coordinate of point B will be क्या होगा? It will be 5, 0. Then with respect to A, there is a coordinate of point B, 5, 0. Then the coordinate of C with respect to point B. With respect to point B means we have to fix the 0, 0 at point B. The coordinate of point C will be 0, 5. So there is a mistake. So this should be 10. Okay. The coordinate of point B is 10. Because the length of AB is 10, right? So you need to travel 10 meters from A to B to which point B. So this is the way to fix the coordinate in rigid absolute coordinate system. So using this, let's draw this rectangle. So just imagine the rectangle that I have already drawn. Okay. So where the A, B, C, D. Okay. So the point A at the origin, the coordinate is negative. So first I have to go in the line command. Click it, active the line command. Then the command area here can type 0, 0, enter. Okay. So the line is coming. Okay. Now next what we can do, we see the format. In a related absolute coordinate system, we have to read the format at direct action. At direct action, what is the x coordinate of point B with respect to A, 10, and y is 0, the comma 0. Okay. So this, see, the line is growing. Okay. Next, point A, point B is fixed. Next, go to point C. Okay. Point C coordinate is what? With respect to B, 0, 5. So again, go here at the rate 0, 5. Okay. So C point is fixed now. Next D. What is the coordinate of point D with respect to point C? It is minus 10, 0. Okay. Here again, go here at the rate minus 10, 2. Okay. Next, there is a coordinate of point A with respect to point B is what? Again, I have to type at the rate क्या होगा? X axis में कुछ नहीं है, तो 0 minus 0, comma minus y. Y means what is the length? 5 minus 5. Okay. You can enter. And after completing the rectangle, just right click. You can see the rectangle is fine. Now I think you have seen this coordinate uses icon x y is directly coincide with this rectangle. Why? Because we have set the lower limit at 0, 0, and also the origin coordinate of point A is also 0, 0. Okay, that's why it's coincide. Now how to make it separate? How to make this separate? You just type uses icon U C S and com. Enter. Then from here you can find no origin. Correct? You click on no origin, then your axis will go separated from the thing. Okay? So this is your fine. So this is all about your relative absolute coordinate system. Similarly, you can also go for uh, relative polar coordinate system. Fine. Anything you can draw from relative polar coordinate system. I'm giving just simple example. Just let's draw a line like this. I can say 60. Okay. Suppose this is also 10. This is also 10. Okay. Now we draw this. Let's draw this. So to use this rectangle in different way, how to do? Select the first of all you have to select the object. Okay. So select click outside in the right corner and come to the left corner and click again. The whole structure is selected. Now right click, then move. Now to move, you have to pick the object from some point. So this point or midpoint, anything. Suppose I'm clicking here, clicking anywhere I can complete. So let's draw the angle. So first of all, let's draw the line. This AB line. Now make into draw this kind of line. Okay, 10, 10, and 360. Suppose this is 10, and angle is 60. So here up here, suppose same is to draw this. So let's draw first line AB. To line to draw a line AB. This is the line. Okay. Now first point AB. Coordinate of point A is 0, 0, 0, 0. Next, we have to use the format of this relative polar coordinate system. It is enter it, length and angle. It is enter it, length and angle. Okay, so enter it, length and angle. Fine. So again, to find out the coordinate of point B, here enter it, length is 10, angle between A and B is 0, type 0. Comma, you have to keep this symbol, right? See, you have to keep this less than angle symbol, right? So I have to type here is see, AB line is fixed. Okay? Now, suppose I need to draw this line. Again, I have to go line command, click at the point here. I want to draw this line. Okay. Now again, with the line to draw this line, type enter it. Length of the line is 10. Less than symbol, and the angle between this. Also angle 60. Let's start 60. So this line is covered. So if you want to check this dimension, so you can go here, dimension and angle. Okay, angular, click here, click here. You can see. Even for the linear edge, you can find the dimension. Simply we are doing linear. You just click on linear and click the point here, point here. You can find out the length is 10. Now can you see the dimension style is more large than usual. Okay. So to modify the size of this dimension, you can go here, dimension style. Okay. Dimension style. Just click here, go to and then you just cut this fit. Okay. And can you see this use overall scale? You can do reduce the scale, say 0.5. So let's see. Okay. Then set right. And you can see there is a decrease in the size of the dimension. If it's not suitable, then again you can go to same dimension style. You then reduce to 0.3 and okay, set current and close. So this is the way you can increase or decrease, or you can say adjust the dimension style. Okay. So this is your angular dimension, so linear dimension. Okay. So similar, you can also another dimension. Okay. This is a rectangle of dimension. Okay. Anyway, so let's delete this all. And this is all about your coding system. Right? Now let's discuss quickly about the use of line command. Okay. So whenever you want to draw a line, suppose same rectangle that we already here and work with this part. I want to draw the same rectangle. Okay. So how can we do? Just go on clicking the line command. Okay. Now what is asking the command area? Specify first one, right? So I need to specify the first one. So you can click anywhere. You can click anywhere for now. So I'm clicking here. I'm clicking here. So next it's asking specify next point. So next point will be somewhere here. Okay. Now see, for a line, the main information is required is what? The length of the line and the angle made by the line with the horizontal. These two values are more important. Correct? I think you can also see the article is asking the length of the line, which is highlighted by the blue color. So whenever I go stretching the line, the length of the line is increasing and the number is also increasing. Right? You can see, isn't it? And if I move in upward direction, the angle of the line from horizontal is also increasing. If I come closer to the zero, it is decreasing. Isn't it? Correct? I think it is visible, right? So the length and the angle is changed with the mouse movement. Okay. Anyway, so if I want to draw that is a rectangle where if I want to draw a rectangle, this kind of rectangle, where all lines are mutually perpendicular to each other. Okay, that means you know the angle between this line and this line is 90. You can do it. So you can do it. Again, if I go here, so and all the angle made by this arm of the rectangle are 90 degrees. So the angle is fixed. You can consider. So for that, what you can do, you can use the status bar And what is the status bar? This is the status bar. Okay. And here there is a command. It's called auto. I think from mathematical point of view, you also know this. What is the meaning of auto? Auto means mutually perpendicular. Okay. So I'm clicking right now. This auto mode is not it is off. Okay. So let's make the auto mode on. So I'm clicking in the auto. You can see there is no active. Again, I'm clicking the line command. I'm clicking anywhere in the area. So you can see I'm trying to make my line in different angle, but it's not coming. It is stick to 0 and 90 degree. 0 and 90 degree. Because the auto mode is on. It will not allow you to take your line mm, to any angle. It is or it may be in 0 degree or 90 degree or 180 degree like that. Now if I make this auto mode off, now see what happens. I'm making auto mode off. I can see now I can move my cursor and okay I can make a line at any angle, and with the auto mode on it is restricted to 0, 90, 180 and 360. Okay. Now it's become easy to draw. Suppose same line I'm going to draw. If suppose this is a point A, now next point B is what? At 10-meter distance. So just type 10 and enter. Next go upward direction. Is the distance 5. So type 5. Go to point D. Type 10. Enter. And what is the point A? You can have three options to connect the point B with the point A. First option is what? Just go and just click here. If you click here, it will connect. Right? Second option, you just give the dimension. Use just type 5 and enter. And up next another option. Let's run. Another option is what? Just right click and close. Okay. If you right click and close, it will connect with the initial rectangle is complete. Easy way. And get dimension. The dimension. Okay. Suppose I want to draw the same rectangle using auto mode. Right now, the auto mode is on. For now, I'm going to off the auto mode and going to draw the same thing with line command. Okay. So I'm taking the line command again. I'm clicking anyway, just here, and I'm clicking on auto mode off. Now, first of all, I have to pick the length. So length is I'm going to use 10. But since auto mode is off, that means I have to give an input of angle, and to give angle, first of all I have to type 10. Okay, not type, I have to click tab on the clip. Clicking the tab and I have to give, and what is the angle between A and B is 3.0. So A will switch. Now going upward direction 2.C. So BC, that is what? 5. That is 5. Tab, angle is how much? It is 90, right? You can also see that that's line angle, correct? And go this direction. And the length of CD is 10. 10, tab, and what is the angle now? This angle is 180. And enter. Okay. Now You can just right click and close. So this we check the dimension. See, right. So you can draw a rectangle or any structure here by using different approaches. Using auto mode off, auto mode on. You can use relative absolute coordinate system. Fine, but it is up to you, and based on the drawing and understanding of the drawing and the tools, we can use different approaches to draw a two-dimensional drawing in AutoCAD. Is there any doubt for now? Any doubt till now? कितना मेरा अभी बोला है? Is it okay for now? Okay, good then. Now see, the same drawing, the same drawing can be done using this polyline command also. Okay, so the polyline command is also a type of command in draw tool. So this is a line command and polyline command. Now what is the difference between these two? I'm going to show you. Okay, so for now you can see this is the rectangle that is drawn by line command, correct? This is the line drawn by the rectangle command, sorry, line command. So let's draw the same rectangle using polyline command. Okay, I'm clicking on polyline command. Right. Now let's start somewhere from here. Clicking here and just click on auto mode. To this side, type the length. Okay. Since auto mode is on, so I don't need to give angle. So just simply enter and go upside. Then the length of BC is 5, enter. Then CD is 10 again, enter. And simply let's close it. Right? Or just click here. Now see, the top one, this drawing is drawn by using polyline command, and the bottom one is drawn by line command. Okay. Now the drawing is similar. Same drawing you can draw. But what is the difference? Now I'm going to show the difference. Whenever you click the bottom drawing, if you click or just touch one line, see only this line is selected. Okay. Now if I go in the top drawing, if I click on this line, can you see the whole drawing is selected? See the difference? Can you see the difference? I'm showing again. If I go click here, the bottom drawing, only this line is selected where I clicked. But if I go upward, the top drawing, if I click in this arm, not only this arm is selected, the whole structure is selected. So what you can observe from this? The observation is that if you draw anything using polyline command, all lines are get connected to each other. All are get connected. That means if you select one arm, that means indirectly you are selecting the whole structure. But if you select if you draw the rectangle in using line command, then if you select this, if you draw this rectangle using line command, then if you want to select one arm, then only one arm will go to select, not the whole structure. Correct? In some situation, polyline command is helpful. In some situation, line command is helpful. So depending on the demand of the drawing, you can choose your command. Okay. For now, we have got the idea about what is line command and what is polyline command. You can draw the same drawing using line command and polyline command. But difference is that using polyline command to draw structure, the structure get connected to each other. And if you draw anything by using line command, they are not connected to each other. All act individually. Here you can see the line is acting individually. Okay. This one also acting individually. If I click this one, again it is acting individually. And here also it's acting individually. Correct? So this is basic. This is the basic thing. Now if I say as in a simple term, what is the advantage of polyline command? One very simple advantage of polyline command over line command. Say if you want to move this structure in other places, if you want to move this structure, suppose the below one, what I can do? I have to click here, I have to click here, then right click, then I have to select the move, then clicking here, I can move any places. But here, the structure drawn by rectangle or polyline command. To move this structure, what I can do? No need to go like this. Just click on any arm, it gets selected. Then just right click, move, click somewhere, anywhere, click it. Okay. That means if you want to select and do some modification of a particular structure, if you draw the structure with polyline command, it will save your time. Not save for time, it also makes simplify the drawing. Okay. Okay, fine. So is there any doubt till now? So with this, I just want to end my class here. So this for the information for today class. So let me first close my sharing here. Wait a second, let me take the snap of our attendance. Don't go anywhere. Wait. And first let me lock my meeting here. Okay, everyone. So this is all about today's class. You can leave the class. Thank you.